Completed in 1906, the McFaddin-Ward House has more than 24 rooms spread over 3 floors. Located on the 3rd floor, the billiard room provided a space for work, play, study, and entertainment. The largest room on the floor, it was designed by McFaddin-Ward House architect Henry Conrad Maurer to be used as a billiard room, as the name suggests. During the house's construction, the room's iconic focal point, the billiard table, was installed on the 3rd floor using a shaft which was later closed by the McFaddins. An elevated stage area provided a space for guests either watching or playing billiards to observe the game. It includes doors with access to a balcony. Original light fixtures combined with a variety of windows illuminate the space. Unlike the 1st and 2nd floors, the 3rd floor does not have fireplaces. It has flue vents, including one in the billiard room, suggesting that a coal fire heated the room. The burgundy burlap wallpaper is a close reproduction to an early wall hanging found in the room. The billiard room and 3rd floor officially opened to the public in November 2006 after undergoing an extensive restoration project. Schedule an admission-free tour to see the billiard room in person.